it once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's, mobile mechanic, and we've come to look at this Vauxhall Astra car here. So the problem with this is it's got, once you start it up, let's have a look, it's saying something about the coolant is low. I have to wait a little second for that to come up. Coolant level low at coolant. Just gonna pull the bonnet. Now we've got the bonnet up. It's a 1.7 CDTI, and the coolant is not low there, as you can see. Doesn't look like it's got the right mixture of coolant in there. It's a bit light coloured, but there is enough. So we'll have a look at what's causing it. If we come down to the reservoir here, if you can read that, it's fitted with a level sensor, so that would be underneath the bottle, and the sensor may be dodgy, or if we can see down, maybe there's got a problem with the connection. So we're going to get the bottle out. That's just a case of slipping this little clip out here, and then we'll get that, put it over there. I can slide the bottle out from the bottom there. There we can see the sensor underneath the bottle there, and there's a lot of oil contamination in there, or some kind of grimy soot, but I'm not too sure where it's come from. It's just a natural build-up from somewhere, but there doesn't seem to be any leaks anywhere else down there. It's just literally on there, so maybe it's had a small leak of coolant. I'm not too sure what that is. Let me have a look. Just some sort of, yeah, it's just like a dirt build up from the from a little bit of fluid that's been leaking out from the looks of things. When you get fluid leak, it obviously attracts the dirt, makes it stick. I've got the plug out there, and there is some oil around here, but there's none on the actual pins, because it's got this rubber waterproof seal here around it. So looks like it may just be a dodgy sensor. So we'll pull that out. I'm going to lose a little bit of coolant and quickly plug in a new one, and then should be the end of the problem. This will just, sorry if I can do it without getting my hand in the way, I should just twist that way and then pull down. You just pull out there. Now we've got that out, we've just turned it all the way to this direction and pulled it down. Here we've got a new one, and if you look at the old one, there's some corrosion in there. Not too sure if that's why it's broken, but it's a good shot of why it may have broken. But the actual wire there, there's no damage on it. We'll put a new one of these in and see if that problem goes away. It's a relatively cheap part, about a tenner. We'll put some electrical contact cleaner onto the plug there. Clean any of that crap off it. Make sure it gets a good clean connection. And now we'll let that dry for a few minutes. It will automatically just dry off. So it turns out the coolant level low is still coming up after the sensor's fitted. So we're going to have a look inside the bottle and see maybe if the float is stuck. There's like a little float that's inside the bottle, so we're going to have a look at that. Maybe we can unstick it. If not, we'll buy a new reservoir header tank. So just over there, if you can just about see that you've got a little circular float that slides up and down. Just gonna see if I can get maybe a little pick in there and loosen her up. Is it moving? Yeah, I can see it sticking. I can see it sticking. You can see it moving up and down there. So now we've moved that up. Let's see if moving that up turns the light off. But looks like we may need a new bottle if it continues to stick. We can see there by moving it around there, it's sort of freed up nicely now. So that might just fix it. If not, we know what the problem is. It's the float. So let's start the car back up. Retry that. Yes, we know the bonnet's open. So it usually comes on after 5 to 10 seconds. Seems to have fixed the problem. So if you want to fix that problem, you either want to get a replacement tank or just get something in there and loosen it up. If you've got a build-up of the antifreeze, you know, it gets sort of a sticky film comes after a while, build up. So just loosening that out. It seems to have fixed the problem for now, and we can order a replacement bottle if it does come back.